So it's approximately 19 minutes to the news events, CPI news release, which is happening today at 4:30. From the look of things, we have had quite a bull run since morning on GBP USD, and like I said in the earlier video, GBP USD will be looking to short. Now this is the session change over here, but there's something I want to show you. So TDI here is telling us that this is a shark fin, meaning that the market intends to sell, right? Which this was issued right here at level 1.2653. But then the market has been selling since this pullback here. It's been buying since this pullback here. It's just been buying with about 44 pips up. However, the TDI does not recognize this move, right? It doesn't recognize this move, but you can see it's quite a steep one, right? So the expectation is at 4:30, this market is going to just sell off, right? The market is just going to sell off from here all the way down. Could be probably to the ADR low, or at least to the low of the day or the low of the week. On gold, I already said that this is going to be a sell. We have seen that they have made a high at 2029. Actually, the trade that we took yesterday at 2015, we just closed it at 2028 or something like that, because my take profit was at 2030, but I realized it's not going to break this level. So we exited and we are looking to go short on gold. That is few minutes before the news release. And also looking at USD card, we have seen quite a consolidation for a few days, right? Because the market has just been moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So probably today is going to be the day they break out of this range, right? Could be the day they break out of this range. It's now about 15 minutes to the news event. Let's keep monitoring the market. We see whether we can get an opportunity. So I see that GBP USD has given us a sell opportunity, right? This is the entry right here. Okay, so 1 minute to the news event. We are selling GBP USD, we are selling Euro USD. Okay, so we have our positions ready and stacked. Let's see what happens. Look. Shit. Okay. Yo, this thing is just died. Okay, so as I said, we were selling GBP USD. I gave my explanation. So just to review what happened on these assets. So technically, we saw the opportunities actually very early, and we were able to take advantage of it. So you can see that from this angle, as I was saying, the market was quite overbought, and there was a huge divergence on the TDI, and you can see the market has just crashed about this a whooping 90 pips so far, right? It's a whooping 90 pips so far. So technically speaking, a 0.01 trade could have given you about $8.5 minus the spread, right? And so, I left a buy limit here. Okay, no worries. So Euro USD just died as well. You can see we were able to identify that structure quite well. So this was a very nice trade. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.